open up. What?
Hatchimals? Hatchimals Pixies, right? All right, let's open it up.
I'm not.
Let me see what's on the back of here.
These
those
are
are cute.
collectors. It has a rainbow.
Ooh, I want to take a peek at that.
I'm gonna open it. Gotta get our egg out. Very keep it. Okay, guys, I'm gonna rub it. Okay?
Oh, we gotta rub that spot, right?
Yeah.
Color change spot.
Oh, be careful.
Okay. Hang on, let me see it. You gotta show me.
It's not ready right now. It's not ready.
Here, let me see.
We have to wait. I know it.
Let's do it together. You ready?
Okay. 1, 2, 3, rub.
Oh boy, it's coming. It's coming.
Purple is coming.
It is hard. I'm not. Oh, there it goes.
It's almost purple. Look at my soft pot.
That's cute. All right, you ready to?
Open it. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It's blue. It's blue right now. I think I'm gonna open up.
Oh, she's pretty.
Oh my gosh. Her bed.
At least her head stayed on.
A blind bag? Okay. Now we gotta open up the blind bag. Oh, I can't get there. Okay. Alright,
Whoa.
open. Won't let me cut do it. Oh,
It won't let you cut?
no.
Is it? Watch your fingers.
Oh, OMG, I think I'm gonna get a pet. Here,
Oh, it's a pet.
I'm peeking. Now I'm gonna do that. Do that.
Oh, you lost all your accessories. Oh, that's cute. All right, so let's check her out. What's her name? Let's look at the,
Oh, look.
let's look here real fast. All of the different ones.
Oh no, I need to.
All right, you gotta figure out which one you have, Brad. Which one do you have?
I have a blue pixie.
Okay, here's Polar Piper.
Yeah.
Yes. She's cute. I like her wings. They're soft. They flap around too. She's cute. And there's her little bed. Right?
Yeah.
That's cute.
And look at her little skaters, Piper.
Oh, they're little ice skates. Here, you gotta put them up so you can see.
Right
there. There we go. You gotta put them on her feet.
Okay, you put them on the feet.
Oh, I have to put them on her feet?
Yeah, for me.
Okay.
Yeah. I'm
And
just gonna break this thing.
here's her little head.
Guys, I'm gonna
Her
I'm
earmuffs.
just gonna break this thing. Break this thing. And break. 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 Break.
There's her little
Break. And break.
earmuffs. And her ice skates on. Oh, what's this, Brim? Oh, look, it's her little drink.
Yeah, I saw that.
That's cute.
Here, look. I'm gonna rip everything. I'm gonna rip everything.
Well, you can keep the bottom part because the bottom part's not as smushy, so then you can keep the bed in there,
Yeah.
right? So there's Brenna's Hatchimals Pixies. And what was her name? Polar Piper. Polar Piper.
Look at her wings.
Polar
They're
Piper,
super
Hatchimals
glittery.
Pixies.
Stretch them. Stretch them. Stretch them. Stretch them.
Well, don't break them off.
Bye. Thanks for playing with us. Come back soon. Bye. Like and subscribe. Bye.